Hi, it's Julie from ThermoKitchen, and today I'm showing you my white rice recipe. So this is the best white rice recipe. It's better than using Function's rice cooker method, and it works for every type of rice. You can use it for basmati, jasmine rice, short grain rice, so any form of white rice, this is your recipe. Okay, so we start off. Take the lid off, and we are going to tap on the home button and slide across to scales. We're going to pop in our internal steam basket and tear off to 0. Now we are going to weigh 300 grams of rice. I'm using basmati rice. A little bit over, but that's all right. And then we're going to take our rice and we're going to wash it under the tap, just under regular cold water, and we're going to wash it until it comes clean. Okay, I am using my hand to turn over the rice, but I'm being very careful not to break any of the grains, not to be too rough with it. And then back in there. Okay, the reason why we wash the rice is we want to get rid of all that extra starch and everything from around the rice. Otherwise, our rice is going to be quite gluggy. Okay, we're going to 0 off. And we want to add a litre of water. So that's 1,000 grams. There we go. Pop the lid on, and then we're Xing out of our scales, tapping on our home button, and we are setting the clock for 20 minutes. Tapping the temperature and turning that all the way around to Varoma temperature, and then tapping on the blade speed and turning that to speed 4. Okay, so I'll see you back here in 20 minutes. Okay, there we go. And that looks beautiful. So I've got my thermos over here. I'm going to use the spatula to get it out so we don't burn ourselves. Just pop the spatula there in the hole and lifting it out. So that makes a full internal steam basket full of rice. Just tipped it out into there. Now I'm just going to break this up so you can see. But this is super light and fluffy. Okay, I didn't want to break that up too much because we don't want to damage the rice. But there we go. That's my perfect white rice. Now, why I like doing this is we can do this ahead of time for prep as well. So if you're really busy through the week, it's a great idea to get some white rice made and stored in the fridge. So then when you're busy, you come home, you just have to get your main dish on, and you know you've got rice in the fridge ready to just heat up and serve. So this makes getting dinner on the table a little bit easier. So I hope you like my easy, best ever white rice recipe. If you needed any more tips or instructions, I do have a recipe on my website, and there'll be details about that in the description below. If you prefer brown rice, I have a recipe for that also, and there'll be a link to the YouTube and to the recipe in the comments below. Okay, bye for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to join me on our ThermoKitchen Facebook group. Happy cooking!